everyone, we're going to evaluate the integral of x squared times sine of x dx by using integration by parts. Now, for integration by parts, this is the formula. So we need a u and a dv. One of these has to be u, one has to be dv. And if you look at this list, the first one that comes up for us is the algebraic expression. That it's best to, you don't have to all the time, but it's better to let that be u. So that's going to be our x squared, and our dv is going to be the trig function. So let's set that up, and we're going to let u equal x squared. That means u is going to be 2x dx. And then our dv is going to be sine of x dx. And therefore our v is going to be negative cosine of x. And now let's substitute it into our formula here. So this is going to give you x squared times negative cosine of x. And then we do minus the integral of v du. So v is going to be negative cosine of x. And then du is 2x dx. All right. So let's simplify this a little bit. This is going to give you negative x squared cosine of x plus, I'm going to pull this 2 out front, plus 2 times the integral of x, pulling this x in front, cosine of x dx. Now we're going to have to repeat our integration by parts for this piece. So let's look at that separately so it doesn't get too confusing. Then we'll put it together. So we have the integral of x cosine of x dx. And in this case, we're going to let u equal x. So du equals dx. And then dv is going to be our cosine dx. So v is going to be sine of x. All right, now using substitution again, we're going to get this equals x times sine of x minus the integral of sine of x times dx. And that was for this part right in here. All right. Now, let's go ahead and integrate this piece. And this for this piece, we're going to get x sine of x. Antiderivative of sine of x is negative cosine, so you get plus cosine of x plus c1. And also we had a 2 in front, right? So this was a 2. So you want to probably put a 2 in front. So let's put all this together. So I'm going to put this first part we have here along with this part with this part. And you're going to get this equals negative x squared cosine of x plus 2 times x sine of x plus cosine of x plus our arbitrary constant there. Now, this is going to equal negative x squared cosine of x plus 2x sine of x plus 2 cosine of x. And we can just let this arbitrary c to be a c plus c. All right, now I'm going to factor out a cosine of x. If I factor out a cosine of x, here that will give me 2 minus x squared. I'll put that in front. 2 minus x squared. And then we still have this piece, should have been x there, plus 2x times sine of x plus c. And that will be your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.